Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh my God, it's so bright out. My name is Jillian, and this is Jillian Camps Arizona, and today we're going to be talking about the Trekology Inflatable Pillow. I am so excited to finally have one of these. I did purchase it, again, not a sponsor. This is not a sponsored video. This is one of those inflating pillows that packs down into this little tiny package. Can you see this? Look how cute it is. I thought we'd do a quick unboxing and I'd show you what it looks like. What I really like about these little tiny things is that if I can fit this back into this little tiny package, I will be so happy. So this is what it looks like. According to the little thing here, it just says it's an inflating pillow. It's smaller than the size of a can of soda, which you can see here it is. And look at how cute it is. It's supposed to fit back into here. I don't know, we will find out. So I bought the orange one. You know what's always nicer is using these instead of just packing some clothes into a bag and calling it good. So this is very exciting to me. I am so excited to try this out. And I just want to blow it up really quick to see, make sure it works. It looks like on the back here it's got a little pull tab. Okay, and then it's got a button to let the air out, but it looks like this is just a one-way valve to make it really easy to blow up. So how long did that take? A couple seconds? Cool. So then you just put the tab back in here, and this is it. Look at how neat this is. It's huge too, for my big old head. So I plan on using this on the trail. It weighs practically nothing. It says that there's a scan to visit Trekology.com for instructional video. To inflate, open exterior valve and click back button to up position to close air release. Inflate by mouth. To deflate, click black button to down position to open air release. To adjust firmness, press black button partway down. Oh, I see. Oh, this is cool. Neat. So if you press the black button, if you just press it gently, it lets some of the air out. If you click it down, it starts deflating rapidly. And if you click it back in the up position, it allows you to inflate. So basically turns it into a one-way valve, and then you just press and hold and then you're done. Look how cool this is. So then you can just stick a clean t-shirt over the top of this and you're done. So isn't this neat? Anyways, I plan on using this in the Grand Canyon. Of course, it's what I bought it for because it's nice and lightweight. I do believe it weighs less than a pound. And then in order to deflate, we're just gonna click this button. And that's what I really bought it for, is so that I can take this easily to the Grand Canyon without any issues. And I can also be comfortable with a pillow, because this is gonna turn out to be one of the things that I guarantee you I'm gonna put in my list of things I can't live without when I go camping. I'm certain of. So it'll be very interesting to see if I can't fit this back in the bag. That's what I want to know. So how do I do this? Let's see. So I think it's folded in half and then into thirds, into fourths to be perfectly honest. And then you go like that, and then you just roll it up, I do believe. Oh, okay, so they actually just fold it and then roll it simply in order to get absolutely all of the air out before putting it into the little bag. So then that's it. Cool. Then I'm just gonna try and stick it back in here, and away we go. Sorry for the winds. It's crazy windy, really. But look at this. This is neat. And then see, look, that's a piece of cake. So then you just pull on the string in order to tighten, and away you go. Well, let me get that out. Okay. See? And then it just closes up and becomes a little can of soda again. Isn't that cute? I think that's adorable. And then it fits right back in there, so that's it. Cool, huh? And it looked like it was a piece of cake to put back into the bag, which I was pretty happy about. So I can't wait to go hiking with this. I think it's gonna be really nice and neat. And that is it. So thank you so much for watching this Jillian Camps Arizona video. Feel free to hit that like button if you enjoyed this content and you want to see more like it. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit the subscribe button below. Or you can like my page on Facebook. That's at Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.